हेलो गाइस, आज का चैप्टर है मॉर्फोलॉजी ऑफ फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स। तो टोटल 100 क्वेश्चन है। टोटल 100 PYQs है, प्रीवियस ईयर का क्वेश्चन है। सब क्वेश्चन प्रीवियस ईयर में आया हुआ क्वेश्चन है, अलग अलग एग्जाम में आया हुआ क्वेश्चन है। तो हम मेंशन नहीं किया कौन सा क्वेश्चन कौन सा एग्जाम में आया है। तो शुरू करते हैं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, स्टिल्ट रोड इज found in which of the following plants? Option is Mingifera indica, Oryza sativa, Ficus bengalensis. Option D, Pandanus tectorius. Question is stilt root is found in which of the following plants? Correct option is option D, Pandanus tectorius. Next question. Spermology is the study of fruits, leaves, seed, pollen grains. Option C is correct, seed. Spermology is the study of seed. Next question. The part of cauliflower that we eat is. Option is leaf, flower, stem, inflorescence. Option D is correct, inflorescence. The part of flower that we eat is inflorescence. Next question. The function of velamen is. Option A is absorption of water from soil. Option B, absorption of water from air. Option C, loss of water in the form of vapors. Option D, absorption of minerals from atmosphere. तो इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट। फंक्शन ऑफ velamen is absorption of water from air. Next question. A horizontal underground stem is a. Option A is bulbils, rhizome, offsets, root hairs. Option B is correct, rhizome. A horizontal underground stem is a rhizome. Next question. Hypodermis of dicot stem is composed of. Option is best fibers, parenchyma, sclerenchyma, collenchyma. D is correct, collenchyma. Hypodermis of dicot stem is composed of collenchyma. Next question. Duramen is found in. Option is region of pericycle, outer region of secondary wood. Option C, part of sapwood, inner region of secondary wood. Option D is correct. Duramen is found in inner region of secondary wood. Next question. Coralloid roots are. Option is apogeotropic, positive geotropic, phototropic, aerial. Option A is correct, apogeotropic. Coralloid roots are apogeotropic. Next question. Refer the given. Identify X. Option is offset, eyes, runner, bulb. Option B is correct, eyes. इसका जो है ये पोटैटो का ये सब आइस है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which is odd one? Option is China rose, maize, mango, sunflower. Option B is correct, maize. Because maize monocotyledonous plant and rest जो है China rose, mango, sunflower are dicotyledonous plant. Option B is correct because maize is a monocotyledonous plant and China rose, mango, sunflower are dicotyledonous plant. Next question. Which of the following is a monocarpic plant? Option is grape, banana, mango, pomegranate. Option B, banana is correct. Banana is a monocarpic plant. Next question. Heterostyly is shown by. Heterostyly is shown by Primula, mirabilis, helianthus, China rose. Option A is correct, Primula. Heterostyly is shown by Primula. Next question. Calyptra is a structure of. Option is found by Bentar of Archegonia. Option B, found by at the base of the antheridia, found in the center of the capsule, found at the base of the leaves. Option A is correct. Calyptra is a structure of found by the bentar of the Archegonia. Question 14. Bark and leaves of which of the following plants are used to store the cloth? Option is Euphorbia hirsta, Euphorbia thymifolia, Eclipta alba, Azadirachta indica. Option D is correct. Azadirachta indica. Bark and leaves of which of the following plants are used to store the cloth? Option D is correct. Azadirachta indica. Next question. Flower and lateral branches. Flower and lateral branches arise from the option is lateral buds, lenticels, stomata, cuticle. Option A is correct. Lateral buds. Flower and lateral branches arise from the lateral buds. Next question. Palm-like fleshy adventitious roots are the feature of. Option is dahlia, asparagus, curcuma, orchis. Option D is correct. Orchis. Palm-like fleshy adventitious roots are the feature of orchis. Next question. Middle lamella is a chitin, lignin, pectin, cellulose. Option C is correct. Middle lamella is a pectin. फिर से क्वेश्चन 17. मिडिल लेमिला chitin, lignin, pectin, cellulose. Option C is correct. Middle lamella is a pectin. ये दिया हुआ है pectin डायग्राम में. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Ginger is option is flower, buds, modified root, none of this. Option D is correct, none of this. Ginger is a rhizome. Next question. Pneumatophores, aerial roots, are found in Tinospora, pinus, mangrove trees, none of these. Option C is correct. Pneumatophores, aerial roots, are found in mangrove trees. Next question. Which of the following fruits is geocarpic? Grows underground. Option is potato, peanuts, onion, garlic. Option B is correct. Peanuts. Geocarpic. Which of the following fruits is geocarpic? Grows underground. Option C is correct. Peanuts. Which of the following is an example of modified stem? Option is sugarcane, potato, onion, all of these. Option D is correct. Modified stem. Sugarcane, potato, onion, all are correct. Modified stem के लिए. Next question. Clove is which of the plant? Clove is which part of the plant? Option is flower bud, thalamus of flower, interior part, seeds. Option A is correct. Flower bud. Clove is flower bud of the plant. Next question 23. Plants produce seeds, but some also reproduce vegetatively. Example. Option is potato, neem, mango, sabanti. Option A is correct. Potato. Plants produce seeds, but some also produce vegetatively. Option A is correct. Potato. Next question. Which is the edible modified part to potato? Option is stem, bulb, stolon, root. Option A is correct. Edible modified part to potato is a stem. What is the upper surface of epiphyte roots called? What is the upper surface of epiphyte roots called? Option is osmophore, rhizophore, velamen, nematophore. Option C is correct. Velamen. What is the upper surface of epiphyte roots called? Option C. Velamen. Next question. 26. On the leaves of which plant the stomata are present in almost equal numbers on the upper and lower surface? Question. On the leaves of which plant the stomata are present in almost equal numbers on the upper and lower surface? Option is water lily, potamogeton, and inuit in potatoes. Option C is correct. Inuit. On the leaves of which plant stomata are present in almost equal numbers on the upper and lower surface? Option C is correct. Inuit. In cactus, leaves are modified into. Option is spine, root, leaves, buds. Option A is correct. Spines. In cactus, leaves are modified into spines. Next question. Which of the following is wrongly paired? water of coconut, free nuclear endosperm, kernel of coconut, cellular endosperm, scutellum, embryo of coconut, shell of coconut, fused pericarp and testa. ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट। 28 के लिए करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन सी। ये रॉन्गली मैच है। A is correct, water of coconut, free nuclear endosperm. B, kernel of coconut, cellular endosperm. Option D, shell of coconut, fused pericarp and testa. Only option C is wrongly matched. Next question. Name the family to which Gossypium belongs. Option is Solanaceae, Poaceae, Malvaceae, Euphorbiaceae. Option C is correct, Malvaceae. Gossypium belongs to Malvaceae family. Next question. Which of the following are used as a green manures? Option is Crotalaria, Jansi, Melilotus, Parviflora, Trifolium, all of the above. Option D is correct. Which of the following are used as a green manures? Green manures के लिए सब करेक्ट है। Crotalaria, Junci, Melilotus, Parviflora, Trifolium. Next question. Natural insecticide obtained from plants. Natural insecticide obtained from plants. Option is Azadirachta, Rotenone, Pyrethrum and Cinerine. All are correct. Natural insecticide obtained from plants: Azadirachta, Rotenone, Pyrethrum and Cinerine. Next question. The example of bulb is ginger, doobgrass, onion, potato. Option C is correct. Example of bulb is onion. Next question. Question 33. Zigzag development of inflorescence axis is an example of Scorpioid chyme, Cytium and Choroid and Catkin. Option A is correct. Scorpioid chyme. Zigzag development of inflorescence axis is an example of Scorpioid chyme. Next question. Pneumatophore roots are found in. Option is mangroves, hydrophytes, xerophytes, halophytes. Option B is correct, hydrophytes. Pneumatophore roots are found in hydrophytes. Question 35. Fleshy buds produce in the axil of leaves, which grow to form new plants when they fall on ground and are caught. Option is bulbs, tubers, offsets. Option B is correct, bulbs. Fleshy buds produce in the axil of leaves, which grow to form new plants when and fall on ground are called bulbs. Next question. What is the structure of the leaves? Structure of the leaves of the neem tree. Option is pinnate, palmate, offset, whorled. Option A is correct, pinnate. What is the structure of the leaves of the neem tree? Option A is correct, pinnate. Next question. The first cell of male gametophyte in angiosperm is. Option is microspore mother cell, pollen grain egg, archosporial cell. Option B is correct, pollen grain. The first cell of male gametophyte in angiosperm is pollen grain. Next question. Which of the following family has racemose inflorescence? Option is Fabaceae, Liliaceae, Solanaceae, all of the above. Option A is correct, Fabaceae. Which of the following family has racemose inflorescence? Option A is correct, Fabaceae. Next question. Which of the following option is incorrect about Orchidaceae family? Option is and the androecium is represented by one or two sterile anthers. Option B, the gynoecium is monocarpillary syncarpous with axial placentation. Option C, the pollen grain are either granular or agglutinated into waxy pollinia. Option D, the presence of 2 to 8 pollinia per anther and they are free or more or less loosely united. Option B is correct. The gynoecium is monocarpellus and carpus with axial plantation. Option B is correct. Question 40. When the perianth of androecium are inserted around the base of the gynoecium and in some flowers the stamens are maybe adnate to the base of the petals. Such flowers are usually option is hypogynous, perigynous, epigynous. Option D gamocephalous. Option A is correct, hypogynous. When the perianth and androecium are inserted around the base of the gynoecium and in some flowers the stamens may be adnate to the base of the petals. Such flowers are usually option A is correct, hypogynous. Next question. The roots which arise from petiole. The roots which arise from petiole or veins of leaf due to some injury is option is napiform roots, fusiform roots, fibrous roots, foliar roots. Option D is correct, foliar roots. The roots which arise from petiole or veins of leaf due to some injury is foliar roots. Option D is correct. Next question. How many carpels are found in hibiscus? How many carpels are found in hibiscus? Option is 3 carpels, 1 carpel, 5 carpel, 2 carpel. Option C is correct. 5 carpels are found in hibiscus. Next question. 43. Found in those syncarpous ovaries where the carpels are fused laterally and ovary becomes one chambered and the placenta developed on the ovary wall and the number of placenta is equal to the number of carpels. Identify the type of placentation. Option is basal, axial, superficial. Option D, parietal. Option D is correct, parietal. Next question. 44. Mimosae is a subfamily of Leguminosae, which is the second biggest family of dicotyledons. Identify the characteristic way in which it distinguishes from other some subfamilies of Leguminosae. Question 44. Mimosae is a subfamily of Leguminosae, which is second biggest family of dicotyledons. Identify the characteristic way in which it distinguishes from other subfamilies of Leguminosae. C is correct. Flowers are regular, small and spherical head inflorescence. Option C is correct. Next question. The stems of maize and sugarcane. Maize and sugarcane have supporting roots coming out of the lower nodes of the stem. These are called climbing roots, prop roots, stilt roots, parasitic roots. Option C is correct, stilt roots. The stems of maize and sugarcane have supporting roots coming out of the lower nodes of the stem. These are called stilt roots. 46. Which of the following type of taproot system modification is found in radish? Option is tuberous, conical, fusiform, napiform. Option C is correct, fusiform. Which of the following type of taproot system modification is found in radish? Option C is correct, fusiform. Fusiform type of taproot system modification is found in radish. Question 47. Flowers having two long, two short stamens. Flowers having two long and two short stamens are known as didelphus, didynemas, monatelphus, synadromas. Option B is correct, didynemas. Flowers having two long and two short stamens are known as didynemas. Next question 48. In a single flower with many stamens, single flower with many stamens when development of stamen maturation starts at the outside and then gradually towards the center. What is the term used to describe for such an androecium? Option is basifixed, centrifugal, centripetal, and deconnective tissue. Option C is correct, centripetal. In a single flower with many stamens, when development of stamen maturation starts at the outside and then gradually towards the center, what is the term used to describe such androecium? Option C is correct, centripetal. In the ovary of Solanaceae, two carpels are placed. Option is posterior, lateral, superimposed, oblique. Option D is correct, oblique. In the ovary of Solanaceae, two carpels are placed oblique. Next question. In xerophytic plants, phyllodes is a modification of stem, leaf, root, bud. Option B is correct, leaf. In xerophytic plants, phyllodes is a modification of leaf. Next question. Exile plantation is present in Argemone, Dianthus, lemon, pea. Option C is correct, lemon. Exile plantation is present in lemon. Next question. Winged pollen grains are present in mango, cycas, mustard, pinus. Option D is correct, pinus. Winged pollen grains are present in pinus. Next question. Caryopsis. Caryopsis is the characteristic fruit of the family Liliaceae, Poaceae, Solanaceae, Asteraceae. Option B is correct, Poaceae. Caryopsis is the characteristic fruit of the family Poaceae. Next question. Best material for the study of mitosis in laboratory is option A, anther, root tip, leaf tip, ovary. Option B is correct, root tip. Best material for the study of mitosis in a laboratory is root tip. Next question. Velamen is present in Cascota, Rhizophora, Benda, Bryophyllum. Option C is correct, Benda. Velamen is present in Benda. Next question. Leaves become fleshy to store food in. Leaves become fleshy to store food in. Option is Calotropis, guava, onion, garlic, turnip, carrot, calocasia, jamaincand. Option B is correct, onion, garlic. Leaves become fleshy to store food in onion, garlic. Option B is correct. Next question. Hard wood differs from soft wood in. Option is presence of rash and fibers, absence of basals and parenchyma, having dead and non-conducting elements, being susceptible to pests and pathogens. Option C is correct, having dead and non-conducting elements. Hardwood differs from softwood in having dead and non-conducting elements. Next question. Sweet potato is a modification of stem, adventitious root, hypocotyl, flowering axis. Option B is correct, adventitious root. Sweet potato is modification of adventitious root. Next question, 59. Parallel venation can be found in most dicots, most monocots, banana and guava only, both monocots and dicots. Option B is correct, most monocots. Parallel venation can be found in most monocots. Next question. Opposite type of phyllotaxy. Leaf arrangement can be found in guava, China rose, potato, soybean. Option A is correct, guava. Opposite type of phyllotaxy. Leaf arrangement can be found in guava. Next question. Phyllodes is a modification of stem, petiole, lamina, bract. B is correct, petiole. Phyllodes is a modification of petiole. Next question. Ladicus represent the reduced perianth in sedaceous, grasses, rushes, composite. B is correct, grasses. Radicals represent the reduced perianth in grasses. Next question. Coir is obtained from endocarp, mesocarp, epicarp, endosperm. Option B is correct, mesocarp. Coir is obtained from mesocarp. Question 64. Inflorescence of sunflower is a spike, spadix, corymph, capitulum. Option D is correct, capitulum. Inflorescence of sunflower is a capitulum. The fruit of paddy is Capsula crypsis echeninat. Option B is correct, crypsis. The fruit of paddy is a crypsis. Next question. Inflorescence of ocimum is Cythium, Barticillestar, Spadix, Hypanthodium. Option B is correct, Barticillestar. Inflorescence of ocimum is Barticillestar. Next question. The edible part of coconut is epicarp, endosperm, mesocarp, endocarp. Option B is correct, endosperm. The edible part of coconut is endosperm. Which of the following structures in plants are capable of giving rise to new offspring through vegetative propagation? Runner, rhizome, sucker, all of these. Option D is correct. Which of the following structures in plants are capable of giving rise to new offspring through vegetative propagation? Option D is correct. So correct, runner, rhizome, sucker. Next question. Non-albuminous seeds have no seed coat, cotyledon, residual endosperm, microphyll. Option C is correct, residual endosperm. Non-albuminous seeds have no residual endosperm. Next question. What is the protective wall surrounding the fruit called? Option is ovule, pericarp, pistil, stigma. Option B is correct, pericarp. What is the protective wall surrounding the fruit called? Pericarp. Option B is correct. Next question. Which of the following is example for actinomorphic flower? Option is brinjal, pea, bean, ocimum. Option A is correct, brinjal. Brinjal is example for actinomorphic flower. Next question. In which type the ovary occupies the highest position on the thalamus? Option is mesogyny, epigyny, hypogyny, perigyny. Option C is correct, hypogyny. In which type of ovary occupies the highest position on the thalamus? Option C is correct, hypogyny. Next question. Which of the following is the example for basal placentation? Tomato, wheat, potato, papaya. Option B is correct, wheat. Which of the following is example for basal placentation? Option B is correct, wheat. Next question. Which of the following are the parts of each carpel? Option is stigma, pedicel, stigma, petal, tepal, stigma, style, ovary, none of the above. Option C is correct, stigma, style, and ovary. Which of the following are the parts of each carpel? Option C is correct, stigma, style, and ovary. Next question. Which flowers are also called bilaterally symmetrical? Option is regular, asymmetrical, actinomorphic, zygomorphic. Option D is correct, zygomorphic. Which flowers are also called bilaterally symmetrical? Option D is correct, zygomorphic. Next question. In which estivation the members of a horde, sepals and petals, lie close to each other without any overlapping of their margins? Option A, bulbate, twisted, imbricate. Option D, baxillary. Option A is correct, bulbate. In which estivation The members of a whorl, sepals or petals lie close to each other without any overlapping of their margins. Option A is correct, bulbate. Next question. In which type the corolla resembles bell shape? Corolla resembles bell shape. Option is tubular, campanulate, rotate, cruciform. Option B is correct, campanulate. In which type of corolla resembles bell shape? Option B is correct, campanulate. Next question. Which is the outermost petal of wing, LA, baxillum, keel? Option C is correct, baxillum. Which outermost petal is baxillum? Next question. Twisted estivation seen in which plants? Option is mustard, annona, cassia, cotton. Option D is correct. Twisted estivation seen in which plants? Option D is correct, cotton. Next question. In which of the following fruits the albuminous seeds are found? Option is pear, papaya, mango, none of the above. Option B is correct, papaya. In which of the following fruits the albuminous seeds are found? Option B is correct, papaya. Next question. The pericarp fruit wall develops from which part? The pericarp fruit wall develops from which part? Option is wall of the ovary, calyx, corolla, pedis. Option A is correct, wall of the ovary. The pericarp fruit wall develops from which part? Option A is correct, wall of the ovary. Next question. Which of the following is type of dry dehiscent fruits? Nut, acene, siliqua, samara. Option C is correct, siliqua. Which of the following is type of dry dehiscent fruits? Option C is correct, siliqua. Next question. In which method the hard seed coat is ruptured or weakened by machine, hammer, scalpel to break the seed dormancy? Option is scarification, stratification, chilling, vernalization. Option A is correct, scarification. In which method the hard seed coat is ruptured or weakened by machine, hammer, scalpel to break the seed dormancy? Option A is correct, scarification. Question 84. In which inflorescence is the cup shape in ball acri with glands are present? Hyphanthodium, cyathium, verticilluster, synantium. Option B is correct, cyathium. In which inflorescence is the cup shaped in bolacry with glands are present? Option B is correct, cyathium. Next, 85. Which of the following is the example of simple umbel inflorescence? Coriander, carrot, fennel, onion. Option D is correct, onion. Which of the following is example for simple umbel inflorescence? Option D is correct, onion. Next question. Capitulum or head inflorescence is a characteristic of which family? Rutaceae, Malvaceae, Apocynaceae, Composite. Option D is correct, Composite. Capitulum or head inflorescence is a characteristic of which family? Of Composite family. Next, petaloid bract present in which of the following flowers? Option is Adathoda, Bougainvillea, palms, banana. Option B is correct, Bougainvillea. Petaloid bract present in which of the following flowers? Bougainvillea. Option B is correct. Next, which of the following is example for Lomentum form of schizocarpic fruit? Mango, peach, mimosa, euphorbia. Option C is correct, mimosa. Which of the following is example for nomentum form of schizocarpic fruit? Mimosa. Option C is correct. Next, which of the following is an example for Circinotropous type of ovule? Tomato, lemna, mustard, opuntia. Option D is correct, opuntia. Which of the following is an example of Circinotropous type of ovule? Option D is correct, opuntia. Next, polyedelphous form of andresium is seen in which plant? Option is lemon, composite, malvaceae, colocasia. Question is polyedelphous form of andresium is seen in which plant? Lemon, composite, malvaceae, colocasia. Option A is correct, lemon. Next, which flower has both the accessory hoods, calyx and corolla? Option is monoclemidius, diclemidius, triclemidius, tetraclemidius. Option B is correct, diclemidius. Which flower has both the accessory hoods, calyx and corolla? Option B is correct, diclemidius. Next, remnants of nucleolus are persistent during seed development in pea, groundnut, wheat, black pepper. Option D is correct, black pepper. Remnants of nucleolus are persistent during seed development in pea, groundnut, wheat, black pepper. Option D is correct, black pepper. Next, which of the following is not an example of modified stem to store food? Modified stem to store food. Option A is correct, sweet potato. Sweet potato is not an example of modified stem to store food. Ginger, turmeric potato, sub modified stem to store food is an example. Modified stem to store food is example has ginger, turmeric, potato. 94. Roots plays insignificant role in absorption of water in wheat, sunflower, pistia, pea. Option C is correct, pistia. Roots play insignificant role in absorption of water in pistia. Next, Cuscuta is an example of total stem parasite, partial stem parasite, total root parasite, partial root parasite. Option A is correct, total stem parasite. Cuscuta is an example of total stem parasite. Next, coralloid root is found in cycas, pinus, ephedra, biota. Option A is correct, cycas. Coralloid root is found in cycas. Eleuron layer presents in the seed pea, tomato, barley, cycas. Option C is correct, barley. Eleuron layer presents in the seed barley. Next, closed vascular bundle slag. Option is ground tissue, conjunctive tissue, cambium, pith. Option C is correct, cambium. Closed vascular bundles slag, cambium. Next, middle lamella is composed mainly of muramic acid, calcium pectate, phosphoglycerides, hemicellulose. Option B is correct, calcium pectate. Middle lamella is composed mainly of calcium pectate. Next, last question है, which of the following meristem is responsible for the primary growth of the plant? Option is apical meristem, lateral meristem, vascular cambium, cork cambium. Option A is correct, apical meristem. Which of the following meristem is responsible for the primary growth of the plant? Option A is correct, apical meristem. तो ये था टोटल 100 क्वेश्चन मॉर्फोलॉजी ऑफ फ्लावरिंग प्लांट चैप्टर का. तो थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग.